guys, welcome back to our channel Generative course. So today I'm going to introduce the wonderful AI for the image generation. So let's start. Welcome this video review for shakker.ai, the largest design oriented platform for high quality stable diffuse module unlike other platforms. Like easilyshakker, your AI focused on providing only safe forward content you can freely use when you log in shakker.ai. You can log in here with your Discord, Google or GitHub account. So here I am logging with my Google account as usual. After login, the interface looks so user friendly. Display the vast list of modules and already generated images. If you see here on the bottom right side, you can enable filter to quickly find the right module for you among basic modules like stable diffusion and many more. If you see here, you can see type of module you can generate like character adventure, exclusive, shake your heart, mockups and many more. So let's click on character adventure. After this click, it starts and here you can see that for creating character adventure style image, you have to spend 26 credit and here you can see that this AI gives you 200 credit. So let's start on generation. So once you click it, you get into this. On the top side, we see toolbar. Here you can see tools like hand tool, text tool, ellipse. You can import files from here. And from here, you can choose the number of image you want to generate. But with the free account, you only generate 4 images at a time. You can also customize the size of post. So let's generate here. You see a panel on the bottom side. Here, you have to write prompt for the image. For example, I am typing anime character in Cyber City game with drag with green neon light and click on generate. It will take few seconds to generate and here we go. This AI generate exact what we write. So I am choosing this one to customize it. So if you click here, you can upscale this image and if you click on the icon, you can remove the background. It will take few seconds. Let's explore something. If you click here on subject, you can select the entire subject or you can select the face, skin, hair also. So here I am selecting subject. Here this AI select it for me. As you can see here and wow, the background was removed and it is very cleanly removed. You can download this image from here and you can also draw the shape on the image and change its color and write your text to customize it like this. So let's go to home page. Here on the left side your screen we can see inspiration panel. Here you can see already generated image for the different categories like animations, game design, illustration and many more. If you click on this option, you can generate images from here also, but there is a catch that from here you can choose how many images you want to generate from 1 to 4. Unlike the previous one, so you can save your credit, you have to try this one. So it's your turn to generate some cool images and send this to our Instagram inbox. Whoever send us our image, they get the instant follow back. And if we talk about the upgrade plan, so here it is from free to advanced for monthly and yearly. So you can choose your plan according to your need. So I'm resting my video here. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Do comment us in comment section. If you have any query, do follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.